Looking for a versatile and reliable kitchen knife? The Matsato Chef Knife has gained quite a bit of attention, with over 1,800 ratings and an impressive 4.4 out of 5 stars on Amazon. But is it really worth the investment, or just another overhyped product? Let's take a closer look at what makes this knife stand out and what real users are saying. A closer look at the Matsato Knife. The Matsato Knife blends traditional Japanese craftsmanship with modern-day kitchen needs. Whether you're a home cook or a seasoned chef, this knife promises to enhance your cooking experience with its sleek design and powerful performance. Precision cutting. The stainless steel blade is incredibly sharp, allowing for effortless slicing, chopping, and dicing. Many users report that it holds its edge well and resists dulling or chipping. Balanced design. Featuring a solid oak handle and a well-balanced structure, the knife is designed for comfort and control. It reduces hand fatigue, even during long prep sessions. Multi-purpose use. This isn't just for the kitchen. The Matsato knife is strong enough for outdoor use, whether you're at a BBQ or camping. What customers are saying. Most reviewers praise the Matsato knife for its durability and sharpness. Many mention that it feels premium, cuts smoothly, and offers great value for the price. One customer even mentioned filleting a mahi-mahi with little effort, a clear testament to the knife's precision and strength. Users also highlight the comfortable grip and the solid feel of the handle, which makes it easier to control during use. While the majority of feedback is positive, a few customers felt the knife wasn't quite as effortless when cutting tougher items, though these cases seem rare. Is it worth it? If you're looking for a reliable chef knife that blends quality, comfort, and sharpness, the Matsato knife is a solid choice. With strong customer feedback and high ratings, it appears to live up to its claims. While no knife is perfect for every single person, Matsato offers a well-rounded solution that suits most kitchen needs. Whether you're cooking at home or slicing up ingredients by the grill, this knife delivers performance and value, making it a worthwhile addition to any kitchen.